136 sterling. The wood could be repainted around the garage and the fascia. That's something we've done a few times. It's very easy to do. Repaint gate, remove that film that was probably used to keep dogs from sneaking out. Obviously a landscape cleanup. We do that at all the properties anyway. Clean up the palm tree. We might need to add some rock. Maybe repaint the security gate, front door. So far from what I've seen, the flooring actually looks good, which I did not expect, just based on the price. Fan looks good. So that's a nice, pleasant surprise. The agent did say they have multiple offers. I believe they have a couple conventional offers that are just above list, according to him. So we need to get an offer in ASAP if we want this. Of course, replace the counters, repaint the cabinets. We need a microwave and a fridge. I would do something with this door so it looks nicer. I'm not sure what. It also needs to open easy. It's a great backyard. So it's all 1 stories. This tree provides a little bit of privacy, as does that one. But we're higher than that person, maybe about the same as this person. And this pergola sort of encloses you. So it's very private. Satellite dish can be removed. The property manager will tell us if we need more rocks back here. So I do see a lot of dirt. There's not a lot of rock. The question is whether or not we need to do it now based on the market. I'd also include a junking budget, just because usually when you see a vacant house, the seller is not planning on removing anything. We have screens here. Sorry, solar screens, just on that one window. I would take it off. It's already dark enough with the pergola. This flooring is tile. Remove or repaint those. I'd probably remove them. Standard closet. So we need to put tile in here, re-caulk, redo the drain thing. Not too bad. It's worse. It's not as bad as it looks. It looks worse than it is. So there's no transition strap here. That's kind of weird. And it's actually loose. That's fine. That's an easy fix too. Plantation shutters off the front of the house. Remove the cables. That's a great fan. Raised panel doors, upgraded hardware. Baseboards are weird here and here. Okay, so baseboards are about $2.50 a linear foot. So redo them all in here. I think it smells like cat pee, which is fine. It doesn't matter, you have to remove this anyway. So make sure the slider works and replace both verticals. This is not bad. These blinds can stay if they all work. So all we're talking about in this room is baseboards, repaint, and carpet, which sounds like a lot, but I mean, there's other things going for it, like the bathroom. Maybe change this door out to a raised panel door and change out the hardware. Minimum, I would think, change the hardware to match that door, but then you'd have to change all of them. Nice fan. This one smells like pee too. So the tile flooring is great. You know, it looks like they were baseboards that were removed, but rekey anyway, so it doesn't matter that these are mismatched. So rekey that door as well. I think those are baseboards. Maybe we can use those. Okay, that's it.